One way to tackle COVID-19 is contact tracing. A lot of negative things have been said about it, but if it's done properly and effectively, many countries like Germany and Ireland have seen a success. So what's the secret? In this Virtually Rick, we take a look. Let's get virtual! The Irish have been known for their luck, but in this case, it's just good science. They created a COVID-19 contact tracing app that was quickly downloaded by almost 40% of adults. It uses Bluetooth in a way that when another user running the app on their device comes within 6.5 feet of you and stays for more than 15 minutes, then the interaction is logged anonymously on each phone. The idea being that if you get COVID-19, health organisations can ask you to upload the log so that then they can find those you've been close enough to infect or be infected by. And all of this done anonymously, alerting the person via the app, who gets a message saying, "Hey, someone you've been near has COVID, please get tested." The app is built based on the GAPL software, a joint Apple and Google release. Scientists believe that to be effective, a tracing app would have to reach about 60% of the population. But the reality is that even on a small scale, just saving one life is justification for its success. Germany consistently focused on contact tracing, but they have extremely tough privacy laws, so they couldn't use digital tracking. They had to do it the old-fashioned way, by phone, email, and fax. And it was so successful that it's one of the main reasons Germany had a much lower death rate than so many other European nations. Germany, though, is a much smaller country than the US, which is why an app idea is so attractive, because creating call centers to cover the entirety of our country would be a massively expensive undertaking. Several states are already in discussion to use an app, but it's early days. Either way, it's clear that the faster we find a way to trace those who are infected whilst also keeping our data and identity safe, then it's win-win for us all in the App Store of life.